Italy's history is as rich and diverse as its cultural heritage. Here's a brief overview. Ancient Italy. Italy's history dates back to ancient times when it was inhabited by various tribes and civilizations such as the Etruscans, Greeks, and Romans. The Roman Empire, in particular, had a profound influence on the region, shaping its language, architecture, and legal system. Middle Ages. After the fall of the Roman Empire, Italy was divided into various city-states and regions ruled by different dynasties and noble families. This period saw the rise of powerful city-states like Venice, Florence, and Milan, which became centers of trade, art, and culture. Renaissance. Italy experienced a cultural and intellectual rebirth during the Renaissance, a period marked by a resurgence of interest in classical art, literature, and philosophy. Cities like Florence, Rome, and Venice became hubs of artistic innovation, attracting renowned figures such as Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, and Raphael. Unification. In the 19th century, Italy underwent a process of unification known as the Risorgimento, which culminated in the establishment of the Kingdom of Italy in 1861. Post-war reconstruction. After World War II, Italy emerged from the devastation of the conflict and underwent a period of reconstruction and economic growth known as the Italian economic miracle. During this time, Italy experienced rapid industrialization and modernization, laying the groundwork for its emergence as a leading global economy. Modern Italy. Today, Italy is known for its rich cultural heritage, stunning landscapes, and vibrant cities. It is a founding member of the European Union and a prominent player in global politics, culture, and commerce. From its ancient roots to its modern achievements, Italy continues to captivate the world with its timeless charm and enduring legacy. Welcome to Italy, a country where every corner is steeped in history, art, and culinary delights. Join us as we embark on a journey through some of the most captivating destinations this beautiful country has to offer. Our first stop is Rome, the capital city and a living museum of ancient history. Explore the awe-inspiring Colosseum, where gladiators once battled, and wander through the ruins of the Roman Forum, once the heart of the mighty Roman Empire. Don't forget to marvel at the architectural marvel that is the Pantheon, and toss a coin into the Trevi Fountain to ensure your return to this eternal city. Next, we head to Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance and a treasure trove of art and culture. Admire masterpieces by the likes of Michelangelo, Leonardo da Vinci, and Botticelli at the renowned Uffizi Gallery and Accademia Gallery. Climb to the top of the iconic Duomo for breathtaking views of the city, and cross the Ponte Vecchio, the oldest bridge in Florence, lined with charming shops and artisans. No visit to Italy would be complete without experiencing the unique charm of Venice. Step back in time as you wander through the narrow alleys and across the picturesque bridges of this floating city. Explore St. Mark's Square, home to the magnificent St. Mark's Basilica and the imposing Doge's Palace, and take a romantic gondola ride along the serene canals. For a taste of paradise, venture to the Amalfi Coast, where rugged cliffs meet crystal-clear waters and charming seaside villages cling to the mountainside. Relax on the sun-kissed beaches of Positano, explore the winding streets of Amalfi. Finally, escape to the rolling hills of Tuscany, where vineyards, olive groves, and medieval towns dot the landscape. Indulge in the region's world-renowned wines in the picturesque countryside of Chianti and marvel at the iconic Leaning Tower of Pisa in the City of Miracles. From the ancient streets of Rome to the romantic canals of Venice, Italy captivates visitors with its rich tapestry of culture, history, and natural beauty. So come along and discover the magic of Italy, where every moment is a feast for the senses. Whether you're a history buff, a beach lover, or a food enthusiast, Italy has something for everyone. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. Grazie.